Hi, and welcome to the Stellar Tech Talk channel, where we look into the future of AI, robotics, and space exploration technology. Today's topic: can the new generation of robots replace humans? Robots have been part of our imagination for decades, from science fiction movies to industrial assembly lines. But what if the future isn't so distant anymore? The new generation of robots is evolving rapidly, and some experts believe they'll replace humans in many jobs much sooner than we anticipated. Today, we're diving into what these new models are capable of, who's making them, and whether or not you'll see one in your home or workplace soon. Let's break it down. Over the past few years, major tech companies have made breakthroughs in artificial intelligence and robotics. These new robots are smarter, faster, and more adaptive than ever before. So, which companies are leading the charge? Let's see who the major players and their models are. First up, we have Tesla's Optimus. Elon Musk's vision for Optimus is a humanoid robot designed to handle general tasks like manufacturing, warehouse work, and even household chores. Tesla claims that Optimus will revolutionize labor-intensive industries. Optimus has an advanced AI integration from Tesla's autopilot systems. However, it is still in the prototype stages with limited testing. It is highly mobile and adaptive to different tasks, which is always good, but it also lands on the higher end of development costs. Regardless, Tesla will make sure to have it easily and fully integrated with smart home systems. The estimated price for this robot is somewhere in between $20,000 to $30,000, based on company projections. Not cheap, but seems to be somewhere in the car prices range, so it might check the affordability box. As far as the production timeline goes, it looks like Elon's company is planning on having these models ready for mass production by 2027. Then, there's Boston Dynamics Atlas. Known for its incredible agility and ability to perform acrobatics, Atlas is designed for search and rescue missions, disaster response, and potentially industrial labor. What makes Atlas stand out is its unparalleled agility and balance abilities, although it is not yet optimized for repetitive, everyday tasks. It can navigate rough terrain with ease, which is why it is a very good candidate for specialized tasks such as search and rescue missions and disaster response. Atlas is designed to be very durable, but its development costs are extremely high. Speaking of high costs, the estimated price for Boston Dynamics Atlas? A whopping $75,000 plus. Makes you think twice before pre-ordering, doesn't it? They have no official date for starting a production line, but some models could see industrial use as early as 2025. Xiaomi's Cyber 1 is the third main contender in the humanoid robot race. While it's still in development, Cyber 1 focuses on social interaction and assistance in retail or customer service settings. Cyber 1 has social functions that can recognize human emotions and respond accordingly, but as a result of these features being emphasized, it will have limited physical strength compared to competitors. Although it will have a sleek and modern design, it will be less versatile in task execution. However, it will more than make up for it in price, since affordability is one of Xiaomi's key focus for the Cyber 1. They are estimating a price of around $10,000 to $15,000, which does seem quite reasonable for such an advanced technology. There's a question mark on the release date, but estimates are somewhere as early as 2026. So, why are these robots a game changer? What makes these robots so different from the ones we've seen before? It all comes down to advances in AI, machine learning, and mobility. These new robots can adapt to unforeseen circumstances, learn new tasks without manual reprogramming, and even interact with humans naturally. There are three key developments that make them better. First, AI learning, real-time decision-making and problem-solving. Secondly, mobility, enhanced dexterity, balance, and agility for day-to-day work and chores. And thirdly, autonomy, features that enable them to operate with reduced human supervision. All of these features are making the new generation a serious option in many domains. It's not just factories and warehouses that will be affected. Here are a few industries that could see widespread automation in the near future. In the manufacturing business, robots like Optimus could replace human assembly line workers altogether. In logistics, automated robots will be developed for loading and unloading cargo. There will be companion robots for elderly care or for patient monitoring in clinics, hospitals, or even at home. And who knows, maybe even girlfriend, boyfriend level companions. Robots will be handling customer inquiries and inventory in the customer and retail industry. These all sound like fragments from a science fiction book, yet this is happening in the present. But it's not all smooth sailing. While these robots are impressive, there are still hurdles to overcome. There are many challenges that they are facing, as there are with any new technology. High production and development costs may limit initial adoption, so they may seem quite high-end in the beginning. Many fear job losses in sectors that rely on manual labor, and there may be a lot of kickback because of this. Let's not forget there are also safety concerns. It is very important to ensure that robots don't malfunction in ways that could harm humans. There may also be opposition because of ethical issues. Should robots actually have decision-making autonomy? So, what does the future hold? The future of robotics is uncertain but exciting. Experts predict that by 2030, robots could be performing 30–40% of all physical tasks currently handled by humans. Whether that's a good or bad thing remains to be seen. Are we ready for a world where robots replace humans? Maybe, maybe not. But one thing is clear: the next generation of robots is coming, and they're coming fast. Make sure to subscribe for more updates on the future of AI, robotics, and space exploration technology. Since this was my very first video, any feedback in the comments would be greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching.